Okay, so in today's episode, we are talking, hey, what keeps happening next? What do we keep running into? Well, today we decided to go ahead and pull the carpet. The reason being it's so full of coffee that we don't know if we can even get it all out. It's soaked on through to the pad, and yeah, it's pretty nasty. So some people like coffee, I don't, and it smells. So we're gonna go ahead and see what it'll cost to replace it, and then go from there. Maybe still just clean it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, the illustrious Tina is in here just using some Dawn dish soap and water. But this is what a Scion looks like without carpet. It's actually pretty clean in here for the most part, other than a lot of coffee. Yeah, not too bad really. We got most of the seats cleaned. Looking pretty good. This is the driver's seat. It didn't have as much coffee in it, but it does have a few little stains. That's one seat. Whoops, hold on.
One seat.
That's one seat right there.
Just the front side.
That was this seat. That's how much coffee was in it. The other one was worse. And it's still not quite as good as I'd like it to be. But for now, I used the pet cleaner from my dad's house, which helps with sanitizing and disinfecting. It feels good. Still got a lot of stains in it though. I'd like to try to get that out. So maybe at another date, I'll get some cleaner for the seats. Automobile interior soap for the machine. Maybe we can do it that way. What are you pouring out?
Coffee from the seat.
I thought of a nickname for the car. The coffee car. The coffee machine. Where are you gonna go?
Go hose it up.
Why are you gonna hose it out?
Why, you gonna drink it?
Let's try it. You can't get a buzz. Oh, look at that. Oh, I got some on me. Anybody for a latte? Here's the hose, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's gonna be hot, be careful. So here's the carpet. That's the back side of the carpet. Full of goo. Coffiness. Oh look, there's a tag on it. That could be the replacement tag. That's not made by Toyota.
What's it made by?
I don't know. What does that say? I can't read it. I think it's in a foreign language. Alright guys, we're doing pretty good. We have now gotten one of the seats cleaned up pretty good. I don't know. It's still looking pretty dirty, and when you stick your nose down to it, you can still smell coffee. So not sure what we're gonna have to do. We're probably gonna have to go ahead and keep cleaning on it. But at least we've gotten this far, and then as you can see with the carpet is just still pretty dirty. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get it cleaned or not. So in the next video, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be cleaning the carpet, checking the seat again, calling around for quotes on carpet. I may just replace it, I'm not sure yet. Just depends on will I be able to get it clean. If you guys got any comments, anything you'd like to see, let me know. We'll start working on that and go from there. I do want to start customizing this car at one point and having lots of fun with it, so it'll be really cool. So on that note, that brings us to the end of the video. All right. It would be sick if you shared, awesome if you'd leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.
To the next one.